today I would be demonstrating water filtering with sand, charcoal, and gravel. I will put this dirty water with mud into there, and then we'll see if it's clean or not. And then if it isn't clean, we'll keep doing it and doing it again. And we'll also see if that goes good with chemical water. So let's try it. It filtered. If I filter it again, it will get more and more cleaner. It's still dirty, but if you filter it many times, then it'll get cleaner. Let's try with chemical water. It didn't filter all of the chemicals, so we're gonna just try again. So what did we learn? It doesn't filter chemical with water, but now it looks reddish orange water. So the sand filter only filters particles like mud, but not chemical water.